Welcome to the backyard. I'm Deere, your local backyard specialist. Today, at our first yard class, I'm going to show you how to remove and hook up your mower deck on this 1023E tractor. Now this tractor doesn't have a loader, that's the only difference, but the attaching will be the same on the 1 series and the 2 series. So let's get started. Make sure that your mower deck is on the ground. So wheels have to be all the way up here. And then you're going to take your PTO and just drop it down to the ground and make sure it's setting nicely on the ground. And then we're going to make sure that the levers are switched up. So if you go right under here, all the way up like that, you're going to put it in low gear, take off the park brake, make sure that your tire is just lined up straight, and we're going to reverse off of it. Right off the deck, just like so. Now same thing going back on. Just go forward, make sure it's lined up with that bar, up and over, nice and easy. You hear the click that it's hooked up, you always want to go back under. Make sure that those have flipped back down and are in place here. Then you're going to make sure that your wheels are locked so that they're not up and down. Making sure they're not going to get loose on you. And that is how you remove your mower deck. Have a great day. Bye for now.